Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, y'all gonna have to excuse my hair, okay? I'm about to get my hair done and I had to wash it and blow dry it. So yeah, let's just excuse that for the duration of this video, okay? But if you are new here, please make sure you like the video, subscribe, okay? If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today, this video is pretty exciting for me. For all of us, it's pretty exciting, okay? I just received my bulk order in the mail. Just got here for the jersey, so I am super excited to open it up and see what everything looks like. This will be my first time seeing the black jerseys like fully done, seeing the changes that we put in, because I had to, you know, bet my money on the bulk. We're putting in the changes. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to open this up and see this. I'm also about to go live on TikTok. Just so I need to start doing that, okay? I'm trying to do different things to get different results. So I need to start trying to be active on TikTok. So that's what I'm about to do right now while I open up this bulk order for y'all as well. I gotta find me a seat because I can't. My knees. I ain't Megan. I'm me. Okay. Let me see. So let me set up my little seat here. And I promise, I'm gonna try my best not to make this video long. We're just gonna go through, look at the changes that we made with the manufacturer. I really just realized he never sent me a picture of it actually, like the actual changes. He sent me the rendering, but not the picture of the actual changes. So this is actually my first time seeing the changes. I have to make sure I'm doing this right, y'all. I don't go live. I don't even know what I'm doing. I will know what I'm doing, though. I feel like I look crazy, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Our campaign is coming up this Saturday, and yeah, I gotta get my hair done for that. And I'm low-key kind of nervous since I just remembered, like, I really haven't seen the changes. I'm trying to wait for TikTok. Wait for some people to come in here, but I'm ready. I'm ready to open this up. This might be better for y'all. Welcome to my live. Okay. I'm also filming for my YouTube channel, so if y'all see me talking to somebody, it's me talking to YouTube, okay? Alright, so I'm about to open this. See what we've got. One thing about these manufacturers, they're gonna stuff some stuff in a box and it's gonna be secure, okay? It's open. Okay. Let me calm down. Let's check out the cream one first. Let's check this one out first. Welcome to the live. Alright. Let's see. I am nervous. I'll let y'all see it first. Okay. I don't really see the change I made right there, but it's okay. This looks good. The back quality still there. This looks really good. That's the cream one. We've seen that one already. I don't know, that color a little off from what the sample was. Yeah, this color is off. It's more gray than cream. I don't like that. It's not bad, but it's like gray and not cream. It's still cream, but it's just not cream. And now I need to take a picture because I need to show them this. Like, I don't know what they did different. Like, is it me? Hold on. No, it looks kind of gray. And my sample looks more cream. So y'all can see what I'm saying. This is the sample right here. And this is the bulk order. You see how it looks kind of gray and not cream? Let me know down in the comments if it's just me. Because I don't think it's just me. I think it really looks gray and not cream how it's supposed to be. I'm opening the bulk order for my next drop. Also recording a YouTube video, so yeah. Just noticing something that my manufacturer. Oh, brother. Let's look at the black one. This is my first time really seeing the black with the material that it's actually supposed to be. Right? It looks good. I like the black. Good. What y'all think, TikTok? The black one looks good. They both look good. It's just, this was supposed to be cream. And it's looking gray. Brother. I mean, it is what it is now. We got the bulk order at this point. But it's just like, dang, bro. It's like, it's slightly cream. I don't know. I'm seeing cream, I'm seeing gray, but I'm seeing more gray than cream. Honestly. I'm gonna have to get off TikTok because I need to take a picture of this and send it to them. Like right now. For real. Because that just like keep blew me. Because there was nothing that was supposed to change about the color at all. So the fact that the color is slightly different, I'm just like, what the? It still look good though. So I'm not totally upset about it. Because it still looks good. But it's just like when you want something to be a certain way. When you order something. When you want something to be a certain way and you order it that certain way, you pay for it for that certain way and you don't get it to be that certain way, it's just like so annoying. It's like, I feel like I can't even call this cream. It's still cream, but it's like, that was cream for real. And I'm picky. I'm sorry. Like, I'm picky. If I pay for something to be a certain way, let's do it this way. Don't change it because you think I might want it this way. Like, no. Please don't. Whew. But I'm not going to let that get me down. I'm really not on that time. Our campaign is in 2 days. Well, 1 day now. It's Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday. So, we got to do what we got to do. It's cool. It's all good in the hood. And that's the downfall of Pakistan. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like, the reason I'm using Pakistan right now is because they are cheaper and our capital is not high right now. So I needed to go with a cheaper price but good quality, and that's kind of what Pakistan is. They're cheaper price, but their quality is still good. This quality jersey is amazing. But it's like they don't follow instructions sometimes. And that's what you have to deal with. As we grow, as we get bigger, I'm for sure gonna use China more. I've used them before, but I'm gonna use them more because it's these little problems. I don't want to have to worry about these little problems. This is stuff we shouldn't even be talking about this. If the color was approved during the sample process, don't touch it during the bulk. Like, do the same thing. Why would you change it? But I'm about to make sure we got the amount we're supposed to have and everything. Make sure none are missing. again, we're mixing a large cream. Supposed to be 5. It's only 4. Lord have mercy. They're blowing me. Like, you really gotta be able to trust your manufacturers, and sometimes it's hard to try them twice. It really is. In Pakistan, they want you to use them so bad, but it's like y'all do stuff like this. Y'all forget stuff, y'all change stuff, y'all don't listen. It just makes it hard to keep working with you if you're not gonna get it right. But I'm gonna give them a chance. I'm gonna give them a chance to make it right. We'll see what they say. I just sent them messages. We'll see what they come up with, honey. Everything else is here. Like all the blacks, all the other creams are here. Everything else is here. It's just that one large cream. And then it's the colors are off for the cream. And this font is different. Y'all, when I say I'm like, I'm gonna catch every little thing you change, for real. These fonts are different for the sizes. Let me show you. For the M. Look at the font for this XXL. This is like a college font. This is what it's supposed to be. This is like a, I don't know. I designed this with the college font, so it's just like, why is it changed? Come on, bro. Did you think I would notice it, or were you not paying attention? I think they just weren't paying attention. Like when they uploaded it into their software, maybe it changed on accident, but that's your job. You're supposed to notice all those little changes. So I'm about to send them a picture of this. Once again, these are minor details that are messed up, but I care about the minor details. Like that, everything being correct makes the full design, so I care about that. But it doesn't stop us from moving forward with selling our product, getting the bulk order out, and keeping this campaign rolling. So we're still gonna do what we're gonna do. Finish the campaign out, sell these jerseys, and hopefully the next go round everything is correct, okay? Because that's insane. That was like 3 different things so far. But I'm not gonna let it bother me, I swear. We still moving forward. I'm gonna make sure that I make a video, take y'all through the campaign with me Saturday. That's gonna be a lot, so that'll probably be a very long video. But yeah, I'm super excited. Make sure that y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in the next one. Continue to change, progress, grow. Bye.